హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. ఇవాళ ఇంకొక డిక్టేషన్ చెప్తున్నాను. గెట్ రెడీ. 1 2 3 స్టార్ట్. టోటల్ కమిట్మెంట్ టు నేషన్స్ ప్రోగ్రెస్. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ there is great need for prior discussions amongst leaders of various political parties. Such discussions help in making parliament more and more effective and meaningful to the people. I believe that in countries where modern democracy is just taking root, the usefulness of parliament needs to be demonstrated and impressed upon the people with greater clarity and deeper conviction. I am inclined to think that no country can afford to lose heart for the drawbacks and deficiencies of the system. With these words, I have great pleasure in inaugurating this seminar. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated 15th instant and thank you very much for sending us your latest catalog and price list. Since your terms and conditions are encouraging, we would like to place the order for supply of some of the latest foreign editions of textbooks to meet the special needs of students of business management and administration, computer science, leather technology and medicine. Since admissions for medicine and engineering courses have just been completed in this state, there is very heavy demand and we need stocks immediately. We enclose here with a detailed statement of our immediate requirement of goods and request you to dispatch them by return of post so as to enable us to make good business. We hope you will appreciate the need to stick to time schedules in improving business relations. We enclose here with a bank draft for rupees 1 lakh towards advance and assure payment of the balance amount within 10 days from the date of receipt of the goods. At this end, soliciting your prompt action in dispatching the books in time and assuring you of our cooperation at all times. Yours truly, senior marketing manager. There is no question of imposing the language of the North on the South. As a matter of fact, it is the will of our people that we should have one common language. We have always felt that no nation can express its soul unless it speaks through its own language. During the struggle for freedom, someone said that it was impossible to win freedom through the English language. I believe it is equally necessary for us to realize that it is not possible for us to maintain our freedom through another language. Therefore, whenever I have to address any meeting in the English language, I feel that I am doing something which is rather awkward for me.